So moving on to the IA900. In terms of the pros, the 900 is a true two-in-one system. So not only are you able to do all the ADAS calibrations, you're also able to do the full wheel alignment procedures across all the makes and models. There's slightly more automation, things like auto height adjustment, which helps speed up calibration times and precision. There's also the important uneven floor compensation based on that camera system. And you will be getting precise calibration reports, again, important for documentation. In terms of the main cons, this unit is very much stationary, needs to stay at a single shop, so it's not mobile. And the 360 AVM calibrations still require manual measurements, which is a bottleneck for certain shops and businesses. So then who is it for? Again, this is a shop that is high volume, doing a lot of calibrations, but really focused on a single location. It's also, again, for shops who are really looking for the ability to do both alignments and calibrations with a single unit. And it's a good reminder, too, that it's just an incredibly capable machine for alignments alone. And so, if you have an aging or outdated alignment frame, this is a great option for that replacement, which then potentially opens up your abilities to start getting into ADAS, things like that.